If you're a nurse or any healthcare worker and you want to buy a home, I need you to know something that your hospital HR department is probably not telling you. Here's grant money, free money that does not have to be repaid, specifically set aside for nurses who want to become homeowners. For 2026, that number is up to $9,000 in grants, plus up to $24,000 in additional down payment assistance. That's $33,000 towards your first home that you might be leaving on the table right now. I'm Thomas Collins. I help nurses, teachers, first responders, and government workers close on their first house hack in 12 months or less. I do this because the system is not set up to help working professionals build wealth. I think that needs to change. Let me paint the picture I've seen way too many times. A nurse in their early 30s, good income, stable job, they want to buy a home, but every time they start looking, the down payment number stops them cold. They're saving, but rent keeps eating the savings. They feel like they're on a treadmill. Meanwhile, home prices in their market keep climbing, and the voice in the back of their head says, wait until you have more saved. So they wait another year and another year. What that nurse doesn't know, but nobody told them, is that their profession makes them eligible for programs that other buyers can't access. Programs that exist specifically to help people in healthcare get into home ownership. Let's talk specifics. Here's what's actually available to nurses and healthcare workers in 2026. The Nurse Next Door program. This is a national program for 2026. It offers up to $9,000 in grants, money that doesn't have to be repaid, plus up to $24,000 in additional down payment assistance. In high-cost housing markets, those numbers can go even higher. The program is available to all healthcare professionals, nurses, doctors, medical staff, and support teams. The Next Door Programs Network. This is described as the largest national home buying program in the U.S., specifically for public service workers. It includes programs for nurses, teachers, law enforcement, firefighters, EMTs, military, and government employees. Same structure, grants plus down payment assistance. State-level hero programs. This is where it gets really interesting, because almost every state has something. South Carolina just launched theirs 2026 Palmetto Heroes program. $10,000 in forgivable down payment assistance for public service workers. Delaware Diamonds offers up to $10,000 for essential workers, including healthcare professionals. Texas has Homes for Texas Heroes. Georgia has the PEN program, protectors, educators, and nurses. Every state has something. Most nurses don't know their state has it. Stack them. Here's the part that changes the math. In many cases, you can combine a state grant, the federal program, with an FHA loan. I've seen buyers reduce their out-of-pocket costs at closing to less than $5,000 on a $300,000 purchase by stacking these programs correctly. That's real. That happens. Let me tell you what it looks like in practice. Imagine a nurse making $72,000 a year. In a mid-sized market, she's been renting for 6 years. She's been saving $500 a month, but it feels like it's never enough. She finds out about Nurses Next Door through a video like this one. She applies, she gets approved for the maximum grant amount. Suddenly, the $15,000 she had saved plus $24,000 in assistance means she has nearly $40,000 to work with toward a purchase. On a duplex listed at $320,000 with an FHA loan, her down payment is $11,200. After grants and assistance, she closes with money to spare and moves into one unit while her tenant covers over half her mortgage. 6 months ago, she thought she was 5 years away from being ready. She wasn't. She just didn't have the right information. That's not a fairy tale. That's the conversations I have with working professionals every week. Now here are the action steps. Step 1. Go to nursesnextdoor.com and check your eligibility. The process starts with a simple pre-application. No credit check required at this stage. Just find out what you qualify for. Step 2. Google your state housing finance agency nurses or healthcare workers down payment assistance. Every state runs their own programs and the amounts vary. Some are first come first serve and run out of funds mid-year. If you're thinking about buying in the next 12 months, start this research now. Step 3. Understand the difference between a grant and a forgivable loan. Some programs give you a true grant, no repayment ever. Others give you a forgivable loan that's forgiven after you live in the home for a certain number of years, usually 3 to 10 years. Both are valuable. Know which one you're getting. Step 4. Book a strategy call with me. I'll map out specifically which programs stack together in your state, your market, and your situation. This matters because stacking backing the wrong programs can actually create problems at closing. Let's do it right. Link in the description, free 20-minute call if you're a nurse or a healthcare worker who wants to buy your first home. Don't sit on this information. These programs have funding limits. They fill up. The people who move in the spring of 2026 are the ones who did their homework in the winter of 2025. Share this video with a nurse you know or a doctor or anyone in healthcare who's been renting and wonder if they'll ever be able to buy. The answer is yes. And this video is a good place to start. I'm Thomas Collins. This is Shift Rich. Subscribe for a new video every week.